Yo, is that the meetup spot? For this guy said the city is not hot. What the fuck is he talking about? Alright, so we're hiding in this neighborhood. Today we're out here in Fresno for a Ascent Venture. Dude, on the way here, we saw like fucking 10 cops and like 3 of the squad members were pulled over. Rest in peace. Today we brought freaking Drift Daddy. All these neighbors are coming outside staring at me hell of heavy right now. It's probably mad I moved this garbage can. Alright, man, so we're going to the meetup spot. Tonight's spot will be crazy. Okay, so when I say we're hidden, we've really killed the daytime running lights. We're hiding in this fucking neighborhood. As you can see, look at this, bro. Dylan, try to show everyone. Like, they said they had permits for this, okay? Oh my god.
I think you're hallucinating.
What are you talking about? I'm not fucking hallucinating. Oh my god, we're reversing back. They're not ready for us yet. Alright, listen, we have tried to leave this park like 3 times. And every time we try to leave, there's a cop flying up and down the street. Hopefully they get the memo about this permit, but we're gonna try to stand on this sidewalk right here. Let it cool down a little bit and try to get all the cops that are coming up and down. That's gotta be another cop. What did I tell you guys? Look at this. You can't make this up. No way! You can't make this up. Alright, we're just gonna chill here for a while. Meetup spot coming soon. That's it. I think that was the host. It seems like he's in the clear. 2 hours just to depart from the meetup spot. Alright, boys, fuck it. We're on our way to the first spot. Let's hit it. Every single car here shoots fucking flames. I've never seen this. Every Z, M5, Shelby, and like we brought the one car that does not shoot flames. Holy shit, there's like a whole people ready to send it.
Oh, you could drift right there. Catch a real tandem. Come on. Come on.
Motherfuckers. Darkest pit, but I've never done that for anybody, but I'll do that shit for y'all. Holy shit, bro, there's water in the middle. This is the smallest pit ever. And not a single light in this entire spot, and these dudes are pretty certified to still be hitting it. Honestly, this place I like. Did you see that clipping zone? Oh shit. Flashlight, I'm helping them see the clipping zone. Wow, that's called getting on the door. Look at where we're at, dude. Middle of fucking nowhere. Like, dude, there's a dead fucking something over there. You got a full drift build ready to go on his door again. Ready? Fuck it. Where's Geico when you need him? Bro, he's got a fucking bass bar, dog. He's chilling. Nothing's wrong. This man has not left the car once. He's so bad.
I wouldn't either.
Look at this. You guys think it's good? It's fact. Come over here. No, tell them what we're standing on.
It's not on coolant.
Yeah, let's run it. Let's run it. Yeah. Looks like we got a show going on. We're about to drift this entire on-ramp, and some guy's gonna show us how it's done. Certified. Dude, that Prius just shit himself, bro. That Prius is going home.
I just want y'all to have a visual representation.
That was tough.
Like, say you got one. I don't know how many people, but that was pretty close.
Tandem was solid, homie did a good job. I mean, he's got a full manual, so I was able to dump the clutch. We flicked it on him real nice, bro. Permits here are valid, we just found out. You know, how to burn off the tires, but shout out Zestino, bro. Look how much tread we have. This is still from the last Send venture we did. I still have over 50% tread with the left foot brake to freaking burn out all that shit. Come on. Hey, y'all, come. Get a round of applause.
Hey, everyone.
Come on.
I just want to thank everybody for coming out. This was a crazy ass collab. Appreciate you, Ari. You sent the fuck out of this. Got my boy from LA. Showed love in Fresno. We definitely turned up. Appreciate you, man. We all love you, my boy.
Sure, man.
Until next time.
What a beautiful time. 5:02 in the morning, on our way back from Fresno. There has been a question I've been asked a lot of times. Who wraps your cars, Ari? Well, here's the answer to that question. Stage 5 wraps. Before I continue any further, go shoot a follow on Instagram. Lucky for you guys, they got 2 different specials going on this month. If you guys want to get your car wrapped, guess what? They're doing 20% off. Second, if you want to get your windows tinted, they're doing a tint special as well. You can do either or, you can do both. All you gotta do is DM them right here, Stage 5 Wraps. Let them know Ari sent you, get your car wrapped to make them look as sick as mine, if not better. Shout out Fresno, baby. Much love to the 559. You guys are freaking savages. All right, guys, let's enjoy the rest of this video. All right, boys, big shout out to Envy right here. Thanks for having us out, man. I know you know this fucking city better than me. My boy, I only have one request.
Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I been all on my grind, so why I need you? Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you.